Warm and inviting, this beautifully updated single-level Northwest contemporary rambler offers generous living spaces and a comfortable, flowing floor plan. Two very open, spacious living areas provide room for everyday living, entertaining, and recreation. The home features 3 generous-sized bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a spacious primary suite with walk-in closet and a spa-inspired bath with jetted tub, separate tiled shower, and double vanities and sinks. The updated kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, abundant cabinetry, and a striking 12-foot live-edge maple countertop with storage below. Additional highlights include a gas fireplace, ceiling fans in every bedroom, central AC, updated LED lighting, a new gas water heater installed in 2026, and newer washer and dryer. Fresh interior and exterior paint was completed in July 2026. Outside, enjoy a classic covered front porch and an expansive 448 square foot rear